Atariki are ithathatũ mweri-inĩ wa gatandatũ mwaka-inĩ wa 2024 nĩ mũhoko kwa tewe ukire mwega nĩ mũhoko kwa tewe muthenya waku nĩ ũragĩkorwo ũgĩthiĩ na mbere gũtwarithia wega niĩ na niĩ ndekere gĩtĩ gĩkĩ kĩa ũmemerekia nĩgetha ngorwo ngĩkũmenyithia marĩa andĩki aitũ magĩtũharĩrĩirie ithaa-inĩ rĩrĩ kaunti ciothe 47 handũ cia rũma nja wa itoka cia bũrũri nginya kũrĩa iharo-inĩ ngorwo ngĩkũmenyithia marĩa magĩtũharĩrĩirie ithaa-inĩ rĩrĩ gũkũ arĩ kwa Mũthingi TV agikere gikujoro kia mohoro nie ngetika wa boy wa jao atukiambiriria ni ati guku a Kenya magithie na mbere kuruta mawoni ngũrani megie budget ya kigena kia mwaka wa 2024 na mwaka wa 2025 ruhonge rwa aria marugamirire ka Kenya aria makina mawathe rungu rwa mubango wa makanitha rwa NCCK ni marutite maona kuga ati makorwo magiheo mweke wa gukorwo magitaurira a Kenya uria budget ino iraikorwo ikiuga.
Instead of even talking about the one man, one vote, one shilling, let us start by devolving services. If it's something, let me give an example of education, a subject I'm so passionate about. In fact, when I talk about education, I think I get emotional. Let us not have some constituencies or some counties where they can afford, through their bursaries, to take their children for education overseas, Australia, UK, America, with bursaries. Yet in my children in Moya, I cannot even afford to give them anything more than 3,000 shillings per year. Let us say we know we have this so number of children in this country. Let us have the money divided by the number of children.
Tungependelea one man, one vote, one shilling. Hii shilingi itatoka wapi? Kuna mwenzetu alisema hii sheria inaongea sana kuhusu vile tunagawana rasilimali, lakini haisemi hii rasilimali inatoka wapi. Ni lazima tujue hii pesa itatoka wapi. Mheshimiwa Mary Maingi, tumekuwa tukiongea sana juu ya watoto wenye maeneo mengine ya bunge. Mbunge wa hiyo eneo kupitia pesa yake ya CDF anaweza kulipia watoto karibu gharama yote ya school fees. Mimi na Mary Maingi tunang'ang'ana hapa kupatia mtoto shilingi 4,000 day school, hata haiwezi lipa school fees ya day school ya muhula mmoja. Lakini tunasema wale waendelee kunufaika na ile wako nayo. Lakini sisi tulio wengi tunataka rasilimali iongezeke, sisi pia tuongezewe, watoto wetu wafike kiwango ya wale wengine.
Iacha kuangalia Kenya kama kabila, tuangalie Kenya kama Wakenya. Itakuwa ni kwamba hata tukifanya census, ile hesabu ya watu wa Mwea constituency wahesabiwa kama watu wa Mwea. Wasihesabiwa kama ni Wakikuyu, Wakamba, Wajaluo. Hiyo mambo itatusaidia sana. Kama tunaangalia maneno ya county, tunaangalia county. Hatuangalie county yenyewe iko na Wajaluo wangapi, iko na Wakikuyu wangapi. Na pia tukifika mahali ya kugawa rasilimali pia kama vile watu wengine wanapendekeza ati one man, one vote, one shilling, ambayo ita affect watu wengine kwa njia mbaya.
Ni wa mutongoria wa bũrũri Rigathĩ wa Gachagua nĩ areganĩte na mĩario ĩmwe ya atongoria arĩa makoretwo magĩtambia ũteti wa gĩgabira kũrĩa Rigathĩ augĩte atĩ we gũkorwo akĩnyitithania kĩrĩma nĩ njĩra ĩmwe ya gũkorwo makĩrehe andũ hakana nĩ njĩra ĩmwe yake ya gũkorwo makĩrehe andũ hamwe kũrĩa augĩte atĩ we nĩ agũkorwo agĩthingĩrĩria atongoria kuma kĩrĩma makorwo makĩnyitĩrĩra ũtongoria wa President William Ruto.
I called for the unity of this region. We don't want to unite this region against anybody. Far from it. Every region has its unique challenges and aspirations that must be addressed in a specific manner. We want to encourage all regions to be united, and once they are united, we unite the country. And I'm happy that the ordinary people from this region are united to a man. True or false? So, ignore a few noises here and there. And leaders of this region who want to fight unity, don't speak in Western. Don't speak in Rift Valley. Come and speak here. If you think this unity is a bad thing for the Mount Kenya region or is tribalism the way I'm hearing, don't speak outside there. Kuja ita mkutano hapa Mkurueini, useme hii umoja ya Mount Kenya ni ukabila. I want to advise our leaders with tremendous respect. Please, our leaders, all politics is local. Listen to your people. Listen to the ground. Align your thinking, your utterances with the people. That is what I do all the time. I listen to the ground. I listen to my people. My people are saying we want to be united. And we are not being united against anybody or any other region. If we are saying the way to reform our economy is through the bottom-up economic transformation agenda, Unity 2 will be achieved through the bottom-up economic model, the bottom-up approach. We start with the family. You cannot unite the people of Kenya if your own family is fighting. You start at home. The husband and the wife and the children are talking one language. Once you unite the family, you unite the village.
Nakio gikundi kia atumia kuma mwena wa Marura gukwarira Laikipia ya irathiro ani manjitie guthondeka maturubari ari ta njira ya kwimathira uboco wa o muthenya. Mauni thutha wa kiria maugite ati athuri ao ni makorirwo magitirika micii makorwo makiingirira horo wigie unyui wa njohi na gutiga atumia matari na wiki igatiga gukorwo makirora family ciao.
Tulianza hii project wakati tulisikia kuna masomo inasomwa huko Mukema Secondary School. Sisi tukajitolea kama wamama, tukasema twende tujifunze, tuone vile watu wanafanya. Wakati wa campaign ndiye tulipata hii nafasi. Kwa hivyo imekaa sasa inaendelea miaka 10, campaign ile ingine sasa inaendelea karibu miaka 10. Kwa hivyo imetusaidia na diposa tumekuja hapa ili tupanue kazi yetu, tupate pesa nyingi, ili hata tukipia kazi ya kujenga ni county government tutaendelea.
Sisi kama wamama tulichukua jukumu ya kuona hata sisi hata tukiwa ni wamama tutajaribu bila inawezekana ndio tufanye kazi ndio tuweze kujisaidia.
Imetusaidia kabisa kwa sababu hata fedha mfukoni, afya ya mwili, tunalea watoto nini Kisugu hivi kwa sababu tumesomesha watoto na hii kazi. Na serikali ningewasihi watununulie hata kama ni mashini hii ya hydroform. Inatumia nini diesel, sijui inatumia diesel au inatumia nini, lakini hiyo ni hisia kufanya nayo. Sasa tukipata msaada kidogo, tuinuliwe kidogo, mbele ya hapo tutafaidika.
Naguo wira murito ni wa gutambura miri iria yakorirwe githikurio kuria mwena wa Shakahola ni gumire ataramu guku ikigira itena-ini ria gatano hari thiku ya gatatu na kuria muingi igitatu kana kuria miri igitatu ni thikuritio na na guku igikumukana igikorwo igikinya andu 40 kana andu 446.
Pasuka huku kitimo huku hii ndo
hapo venye hiyo majembe mumeangaliana sasa nimenyaka mtoto ama ni mtu mzima.
Wapi sanitizer?
Nao anyitite mi sector-ini ya githomo kuma rugongo rwa bururi ni manyite baru amwe atongoria a thirikari aria maregane na wendia wa muguka na makiria kuri mbeu njithi makiuga marenda kaunti ciothe 47 gukorwo makinyita baru ndereti ino kuona ati uhuthiri uyo ni utumithitie kana ni ukoretwo ukihotomia githomo kaunti-ini nyingi.
We want to categorically state here that children deserve the best from any government, from any human being. And following the quote of a great philanthropist, Grandad Jeb, who said that humanity owes the child the best it has to give. And as a country, I don't think Muguga, Mira, and the rest of the circumstances that affect children are the best we can give. Our children need the best education, quality education. Our children need quality healthcare. Our children need quality nutrition. Our children need quality sanitation and other good things to ensure that they are, developing well. But if Muguga, as our colleagues at the coast and other places in the country, are justifying that medically it has been proven that it's affecting the lives of children, then that ban that the Jumuiya Pwani counties have come up with should even be expanded and be emulated to other counties across the country.
Na counties zingine hasa county ya Pwani katika kusema kwamba mogoka na madawa zingine za kulevya ni hatari kwa vijana.
Riboti yo ya wendia wa muguka ni araikora igitwekanya gaito ka mbere akorwo tugikiria andu akorwo githi kuraikuona ati ni turacokereria na mangi maingi guku ariko Muthingi TV.
Save a Life nĩ gĩkundi gĩtarĩ gĩa gĩthirikari kĩrĩa gĩkoretwo gĩgĩcenjia maica ma andũ ngũrani Kenya yothe. Nginyagia haha nĩ tũcenjetie maica ma andũ makĩria ma 100,000 through gũtwara arwaru thibitarĩ, gwakĩra arĩa matarĩ na cikaro, kũhe andũ irio, gũteithia ciana iria ciũrĩire mabarabara-inĩ na kũ-empower mbeũ njĩthĩ. Nyitanĩra na ithuĩ o mũthenya nigetha tũkorwo tũkĩnyitanĩra hamwe gũteithia na kũgarũrĩra maica ma andũ. Save a Life, transforming lives.
Uri murimi munini na ni uravatara ngwataniro na nyumba ya mohoro ihinda ni riri amu Muthingi TV ni irakuhe mweke wa kwanirithia kimenyithia niguo ukurie biashara yaku na njira nene. Tuhurire thimu kugerera +7 572 358 kana utwandikire email niyo sales@lookuptv.co.ke ukatutume ndugu na tutirithanie hamwe amu ndugu ni makinya.
Save a Life nĩ gĩkundi gĩtarĩ gĩa gĩthirikari kĩrĩa gĩkoretwo gĩgĩcenjia maica ma andũ ngũrani Kenya yothe. Nginyagia haha nĩ tũcenjetie maica ma andũ makĩria ma 100,000 through gũtwara arwaru thibitarĩ, gwakĩra arĩa matarĩ na cikaro, kũhe andũ irio, gũteithia ciana iria ciũrĩire mabarabara-inĩ na kũ-empower mbeũ njĩthĩ. Nyitanĩra na ithuĩ o mũthenya nigetha tũkorwo tũkĩnyitanĩra hamwe gũteithia na kũgarũrĩra maica ma andũ. Save a Life, transforming lives.
Uri murimi munini na ni uravatara ngwataniro na nyumba ya mohoro ihinda ni riri amu Muthingi TV ni irakuhe mweke wa kwanirithia kimenyithia niguo ukurie biashara yaku na njira nene. Tuhurire thimu kugerera +7 572 358 kana utwandikire email niyo sales@lookuptv.co.ke ukatutume ndugu na tutirithanie hamwe amu ndugu ni makinya.
Twacokereria ngatho cia mwanya ni guthie na mbere na guikarania na ithuĩ gũkũ kwa Muthingi TV na gĩkĩ arĩ gĩkũnjũro kĩa mohoro na ũturike nginya kũrĩa kaunti-inĩ ya Machakos kũrĩa gavana wa kaunti ĩno Wavinya Ndeti nĩ arutĩte mũkana mũrũrũ kũrĩ macibũ na atongoria a itũra akiuga arĩa othe makoragwo makĩkuruhanio na ndeto ĩno magũkorwo makĩoerwo makinya ma kĩwatho. Wavinya Ndeti arĩtio hĩndĩ ya mambura ma ũkũngũĩri wa gũthaitĩra marĩa matũrigicĩirie thĩ ng'ima.
Kazi na serikali kuu na machief na assistant chief na wazee wa vijiji wote tumekubaliana disi yule anashikwa akikata mti asonge akisonganga. Tunaelewana? We are not going to allow you to destroy, because we are destroying the future of these children. Kama ni majiko, kumekuja majiko ya siku hizi hata unatumia tu, hata zingine hazitaki makaa, zingine ni fuel kidogo tu, alafu unapika chakula mingi. Mwalimu mkuu, mimi nimefurahia umesema umefika hapa ukakuta miti. In the next even 1 year, let us see hapa miti kukua ni rahisi. What you need to take care of, sijui kama watu wa forest walituambia mchwa mudhwa is a problem here. So if we can also take care of them and na kuhakikisha tumeka dawa ya mchwa, miti yetu itakuwa, but that is not an excuse. Tukiaka maji kila siku mti utakuwa. Kwa hivyo I want to see a different environment. Kila mtu akipanda miti, we will make a forest. We can make a man-made forest. Forest sio ati kule kumedimakiwa tu kukua forest. Tunaweza kutengeneza forest anywhere. Serikali kuu na serikali za county zifanye kazi pamoja kuhakikisha mazingira yetu yako sawa. When I was growing up, there were trees here and a lot of animals. In fact, there were just too many animals that hunting was allowed. I used to come hunting here with my father. Huku kulikuwa na miti hakuna. Watu wamekata miti, wanachoma makaa. And I've been a victim of that here. Kuna wengine walikata miti hapa kwa shamba yetu hapa, nikakuta wanachoma makaa hapa kwa soko.
Atene cukuru-inĩ wa Muthingi wa Milimani ũrĩa ũrĩ kaunti-inĩ ya Nakuru arĩa marĩkirie gĩthomo mĩaka 32 mĩhĩtũku nĩ maraikĩrĩkana nĩ marĩkĩtie gũcemania na gũkũngũĩra thabarĩ yao ya mũtũrĩre gũkũ magĩcokeria ngatho arimũ ao orĩa kana arimũ ao othe arĩa makorirwo makĩmanyitĩrĩra.
It is just powerful and great to be back to the school that I schooled as a young boy, and bring back my memory. In fact, I just felt like I can cry remembering how we did without shoes, without food at some extent, and all the troubles that were around. Na tumekuja sababu ya kukuja ni kama kuomba msamaha, maana mimi nilipokuwa katika hii shule nilikuwa kijana ambaye hakuwa mzuri, na kuna wakati tulivunja shule na tukaiba vitabu. So nikasema ya kwamba nitarudi ndiposa nikuje nirudishe zile vitabu ambazo nilikuwa nimeiba, maana wale ambao tulikuwa tumeiba nao wengine walikufa na ni baadhi ya wachache tu ambao wako hapa. Kwa hivyo tukasema ya kwamba tutakuja wote ndiposa turudishe mkono, we give back to the society or to the community, because at least the Lord has blessed us. When we were here in school, I can just say that kulikuwa na shida, hakukuwa na vio, hakukuwa na matatizo, ingawa kuna mahitaji mengi bado, maana kuna watoto ambao pia hawana bado viatu na hata uniform na hata pia chakula ni issue. Na nikaona wale watu wote ambao walisomea katika mashule yao na haswa Mlimani Primary School hapa London wanaweza wakarejea. Jamani, najua kuna wengine ni wabunge, wengine ni ma MCA. Ni kukuja na kufanya matendo na itakuwa baraka na ushindi. Mimi najua kwamba tulikuja hapa tukakuwa involved na issue of drugs, alcohol na mambo mengi. Lile tu jambo ya kusaidia ni kurudi hata kwa watoto, wanafunzi, kuambia tahadhari na ile mambo ambayo inaletwa na hiyo mambo ya pombe na kuharibika, na hata kushawishi pia hata wasichana wetu kuavoid mimba za mapema ndiposa wakakuwa watu wazuri katika maisha haya.
Okay, my name is Suzy Joyous. Today we came here to encourage the management of this school and to show the kids that there is something that can come out of somebody. Hata kama mwanzo wake unaweza kuwa ni mdogo, lakini mtu akiweka success na akikuwa focused in life, maisha yake itakuwa ni promising. We are encouraged that mtu anaweza badilika. Kwa hivyo hata kwa wale wengine wenzetu wenye tulisoma na wao, and maybe you feel you are hopeless in one way or another, and you feel it's like you've reached the end of yourself, we want to encourage you today and tell you that there is still hope.
Gicunjĩ kĩmwe kĩa ambunge kuma gĩcigo kĩa Mount Kenya nĩ mareganĩte na retana arĩa mũnini wa mũtongoria wa bũrũri Rigathĩ wa Gachagua arĩa one man one vote one shilling makiuga retana rĩrĩ rĩna ungumania kũrĩ icigo imwe cia bũrũri na kũrĩa mũmbunge wa Mwea mũndũ gwĩtwo Mĩrĩma Aingĩ nĩ aruna ake kuma Nyĩrĩ maugĩte ndereti ĩno ndĩagĩrĩire gũkorwo ĩgĩtemanio.
Yale mambo tumezungumzia hapa, kama tunasema kama Mount Kenya tungependelea one man one vote one shilling, hii shilingi itatoka wapi? Kuna mwenzetu alisema hii sheria inaongea sana kuhusu vile tunagawana rasilimali, lakini haisemi hii rasilimali inatoka wapi. Ni lazima tujue hii pesa itatoka wapi. Mheshimiwa Mĩrĩma Aingĩ, tumekuwa tukiongea sana juu ya watoto wenye maeneo mengine ya bunge. Mbunge wa hiyo eneo kupitia pesa yake ya CDF anaweza kulipia watoto karibu gharama yote ya school fees. Mimi na Mĩrĩma Aingĩ tunang'ang'ana hapa kupatia mtoto shilingi 4,000 day school, hata haiwezi lipa school fees ya day school ya muhula mmoja. Parliament ndio upande mmoja, parliament sahi
na riboti yo ya ĩgiĩ ũgai wa kĩgĩna nĩ ĩraikorwo ĩgĩtuithĩranĩria gĩkũnjĩro mũthenya wa ũmũthĩ. Ngatho cia mwanya nĩwe gũkorwo wĩtwĩte kana wĩtwĩhokera wĩroreri waku atacemania haha wona cianda wega thaa ĩmwe cia hwaĩ-inĩ nginyagia hĩndĩ ĩyo ngore Ngai wa muoyo akwende na akũrathime athiĩ na mbere na gũkenerera tabarĩra cia Mũthingi TV. Niĩ Ngetika Wambui wa Njaũ.